Okay, so like I was saying, they removed the sift and surf. So they didn't give us what's called ORB, which is equivalent of the sift and surf. And for example, if I comment this out, okay, and run it. Okay, so see all of these red parts are the features, surf features that it detected. And you will notice most of them are around the corners, right? But not the outer corners. Okay, like if you take a look over here, there's a joining of the two black regions. So, so most of the features are being detected around that. I mean, some are, like you will notice over here, are, it doesn't make sense, they should be detected. But in the next lecture, I'll show you further how we can filter these out as we establish the correspondences.
And if you ran it again, it would be identical?
Yeah, it would be identical. Okay. So in fact, you can use the surf features or sift features to recognize something, because it will give you a bunch of these identifiers, each having a 64 number, not bit, but number descriptor, or vector, 64 by 1 vector, right? So let's say it gave you 20 of those. Now, in some other picture, you also saw those 20 descriptors. So if you did a clever matching, you can say, oh, it's this particular object. Okay. Anyway, last 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, so if here's like a soccer ball, just to show you what these features look like. Now you can sort of see, like, these make sense, right? But there is a lot of others also, which, you know, may not be important as we do the matching, right? Okay, now let me ask you one last question, and I'll stop. Suppose you had a camera on a highway or something, and it's recording a car going by, you know, some kind of a line or something, right? It doesn't matter, actually it doesn't matter if there's a line or not. So this is frame 1. Frame 2, okay, car has become moved over here, meaning, okay, so you can see there was a difference over here, now it has moved over here. If we wanted to know the speed of the car, can we do that?
Sure.
Yeah.
What would be our technique? We'll need to know frames per second for the camera. So if this is the next frame, suppose it's 30 frames per second, then we know the time is 1 over 30. Now we need to know
how far the feature points had moved.
Yeah, how far? So first we have to know how much the car has moved. Okay, so that's where we can use ORB or SIFT or SURF and recognize it, right? So I'll try to see if I can give you some interesting assignment. So anyway, let me stop here and we'll continue.
Professor, one question.
Yeah.
Let's say